Hi everyone, I'm Mushy, an amanita mushroom, and I'm here to speak for my cousins, the fibrous fungi called mycelium, who are devoting their lives to replacing styrofoam. Now, you probably all use something made out of styrofoam. It's used in everything from cups to packing material, but what you may not know is that it's poisoning the world we live in. No fooling. Styrofoam can't really be recycled, and few places have the facilities to break it down. That means most of it ends up in landfills, rivers, and even the ocean. Worst of all, styrofoam won't biodegrade, and when the sun does eventually break it down a little, it releases hazardous compounds into the environment. Now, where do my mushroom friends come in? Well, that's easy. You can use mushroom material to grow a product that is a viable replacement for styrofoam.
You'll never defeat me, you lame little plant.
Excuse you, I'm a fungi, and I don't take up mushroom.
Stupido. How could a smelly mushroom like you replace a perfect polystyrene cup like me? I'm all over the world. Everyone uses us. Our manufacturing process is no more harmful than that of paper, and I am so very inexpensive to produce. And on top of all that, I can be shaped into any size imaginable. Who would want to use a smelly mushroom like you anyway?
You're bonkers. They don't smell. At least not after they're properly dried out, they don't. They're produced in a completely sterile environment, plus they're all natural and 100% biodegradable. Producing products from my pals has no harmful byproducts, requires almost no electricity, and needs very little water. And best of all, we don't need harmful chemicals to break down. All we need is sunlight and water. This is exactly how we're going to defeat you. Take it away, narrator!
Step 1. Acquire some mushroom material from which to grow your product. Step 2. Put some mushroom material and water into a blender. It doesn't have to be a standard blender. Food processors and handheld blenders also work. Step 3. Add guar gum to improve the consistency of the mixture so that your final product is nice and smooth. Step 4. Pack the mushroom material mixture into a cup-shaped mold. We used an actual plastic cup. Step 5. Put the cups into sterilized plastic bags with holes poked in them to let air ventilate. Step 6. Let the mushroom material grow. Step 7. After about 2 weeks, check on the growth of the material. If it still needs to whiten on the bottom, remove the interior cup and let the mushroom material continue to grow for another week. Step 8. Remove the fully whitened cups from the bag and let them dry for a few days. Step 9. Carefully bake them in the oven. Step 10. Coat the cups with wax or some other environmentally friendly coating. Plant or beeswax is naturally produced and biodegrades in about 60 days. And here's actual pictures of the actual project.
How could you expect these rotten green globs to replace something as wonderful as me? Those may look like cups, but they aren't as good as I am, and no one will want to drink out of them.
Oh yeah, wanna bet these hard-working young ladies who made them would disagree. These cups may not look like much, but with better mold, they'll turn out even better. Plus, with a little natural dye, they'll be even more beautiful. And once everyone discovers the magic of mushrooms, no one will ever want to use harmful styrofoams ever again. Egg cartons, takeout cartons, cups, packing peanuts, all of these can be replaced by mushrooms.
No! Curse you, Mushy the Mushroom! You haven't heard the last of me!
And when he twirls his dark mustachio, you will see a real boccaccio, see, at South American Joe. Sweet senoritas come out every night on their balcony. Mama's asleep in the patio. Shh, here comes Joe. He's good looking, he's magnifical. As a lover, he's terrifical. See, at South American Joe. Look out for your wife.